How to create an AI avatar with Blue Willow AI. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be showing you how to create an AI avatar with Blue Willow AI. Blue Willow AI is an innovative platform that uses advanced AI technology to create realistic and personalized avatars. With Blue Willow AI, you can create a virtual version of yourself or design a unique character that represents your brand. In this tutorial, we'll be walking you through the process of creating an AI avatar with Blue Willow. We'll cover everything from uploading your image to the platform to customizing your avatar's facial feature, hairstyle, clothing, and more. Whether you're a content creator looking to add personal touch to your videos or a business owner looking to create a unique brand identity, Blue Willow AI can help you create a one-of-a-kind avatar that stands out. So, if you're ready to learn how to create an AI avatar with Blue Willow, then stay tuned and let's get started. Now over here right now, I am currently in Blue Willow AI. Blue Willow uses Discord similarly to Midjourney. It is very similar to Midjourney, but Blue Willow is absolutely for free and you could use it as long and as many times as you want. Now to get Blue Willow into your Discord, you're simply going to go to bluewillow.ai and you're going to click on Join the Free Beta, and you will be able to join the Discord server of Blue Willow. Now you will be able to ask and create prompts on Blue Willow on the rookies over here, these rookie servers over here. But what I'm going to suggest you to do is to create your own personal server with the Blue Willow bot, because as you can see right now on our screen, there are a lot of people using this and it would make it hard for you to navigate and monitor the different prompts that you are going to ask Blue Willow to create for you, because you're going to be fighting against different people of the space. As you can see here, there are new images being generated every few seconds. So that's what we're going to do first. I'm going to teach you that. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a new server. Click on Add Server, create my own for me and my friends. And then you're going to name your server over here. Maybe for example, Blue Willow, just like that. Click on Create. And just like that, we have a Blue Willow server right here. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to our Blue Willow, select the rookie over here. You could choose any room. And you're going to click on the Blue Willow bot over here on the right side. And you're going to click on Add to Server. And you're going to select the server that you would like to add this to. We're going to select the server that we have created. We're going to go with the Blue Willow because that is the server that we have created. Click on Continue. Click on Authorize, and you're going to confirm that you are human. And just like that, we have added Blue Willow to our server over here. As you can see here, we could test it out by doing /imagine prompt. We're going to ask Blue Willow to generate us maybe a samurai girl, just like that. Click on Enter, and it's going to generate us an image, the same thing that it does over here on the main server. It's going to be very similar to this photos over here. We're just going to wait for a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed or depending on the traffic on the Blue Willow bots. Now as you can see, it has generated us an image, and you could choose from the different image that we have over here. You could choose from U1, which is this one, U2, which is this one, U3, then this one, U4 over here. And you could also choose to scrap all of this idea, or you could ask Blue Willow to generate it once again by clicking this. Now that is the basics on how you could use Blue Willow. It is very similar to Midjourney, which I'm sure that you have heard of. So before we get started with creating our AI generated avatar, we're going to try and ask Blue Willow to generate us a prompt once again to make sure that we know how to use Blue Willow with the fullest capability. Now we're first going to do it once again. We're going to click on Imagine, just like that. And we're going to actually search for a prompt on the internet. For example, Reddit. We're going to click on New tab, Reddit, and then search for Blue Willow prompts, just like that, which would allow us to get better and amazing prompts in Blue Willow so that we would have better and more high quality images generated for us. So over here right now, we're going to look for a prompt As you can see here, I found a prompt that we could use with ChatGPT so that it would provide us a prompt for Blue Willow. We're simply going to copy this prompt over here and we're going to open our ChatGPT. And we're going to make this two AI work together for us. Right here, we're going to enter our prompt and we're going to enter our idea. Accidentally entered it. We're going to type an idea over here. A samurai girl, just like that. Click on enter. And we're going to regenerate as response. We're going to wait for it. As you can see here, it provided us a prompt. We're going to use this in a bit after it produced, and just like that, we're going to copy this. Go back to Blue Willow and enter this prompt over here. And we're going to see the difference between this normal samurai girl that we have typed earlier and the one that ChatGPT is providing us. We're simply going to wait. And while waiting, we're going to check out different photos that we are going to use for our AI avatar later on. I am looking at pixels over here, which would provide us with thousands of photos that are royalty free, which means that you could use this for your photos, for your images, or depending on anything that you would like to use it for. So we're first going to select a photo that we would like to edit later on. We're going to go with a very simple one, for example this one. We're going to download this, or we're just simply going to copy the image address over here, no need to download. And we're going to go back over here, and as you can see, it generated a samurai for us, which is high quality and I think significantly better than this one. Depending on what type of art style you would like to have, it would have different outputs. So we're first going to go and start with our photo over here. Now you don't need to download any photo. You simply copy the image address by doing right click on the specific image, and you're going to click on copy image address, and you would be able to copy the image address of the specific image that you are going to select. And over here, you're going to do the same thing, imagine, and then you're going to paste the URL of the photo, and it would automatically take that photo and use that as the basis for Blue Willow. So over here, we have this URL, then we're going to type in no color, just like that. Then we're going to type enter, and we're going to see what Blue Willows does with this photo over here. And we're going to wait for it for a few seconds, and you can simply create your very own creative AI generated avatar by using a basis over here, then adding different prompts, maybe add neon, change the hair color, change the clothing color, change it to anything you would like to change it to, and you would be able to see how Blue Willow would change it. And then you could do some experiments, choose different prompts. As you can see here, it generated this design over here. It did not accept our prompt from earlier, but as you can see, still it generated a different style for our photo over here. We're going to do this once again. We're going to do imagine, just like that. We're going to paste our URL, and then we're going to ask Blue Willow to turn it into anime style, maybe like that. Click on enter, and it's thinking once again. We're going to have another backup prompt over here, enter that, and then we're going to ask it to turn it into a drawing with neon ink, just like that. And we're going to wait for it to finish this first, and we're going to ask it to generate the other one for us. And as you can see here, we have an anime style based on this photo that we have over here. We're going to go with this one that we have generated right now, and we're going to see which one we would like to add on later on. Right now, I think this is better than this one, so we're going to see if this new one would have any improvement on our original photo. And just like that, there's not much improvement. It's still very similar, so we're going to proceed with it anyway. I suggest that you look for prompts once again in the internet, but we're going to proceed with this one. We're going to select this version over here, so we're going to click on YouTube, and it would enlarge that photo for us. We're just going to wait. And as you can see here, it enlarged the photo for us. Now you could also edit this once again after being provided us with a photo. We're simply going to copy image address. Then you can do this once again. Click on imagine prompt, enter this once again, and then you could enter another prompt for your photo. Maybe make her younger and plump, just like that. Click on enter, it's going to edit this photo because we use the same image URL. And as you can see here, it provided us with another set of photo, and we could select U4 or U3 or U2. Click on U2 for now. And we're going to see. As you can see here, we have this photo over here. Now we could copy this and we could do the same thing. Copy your image URL. Imagine, just like that. No color, just like that. Click on enter. Let's see if it does no color on our photo. You could experiment and try different prompts that you want so that you could make your character as unique as possible. You could ask ChatGPT to help you once again. As you can see, it seems like it's not doing whatever we are asking it to produce. So I guess there's an error with the prompts that we have been doing. But I think you get the gist of it. That's how you could use Blue Willow to edit your images, try to create unique avatars for you. And I think that's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.